Hey guys, it's Royal Land, and you don't know what I have today. It's from Cars 2. And voila! It's, hold on, I gotta read the name. Honk. Leave me a comment below. Who is he for? Alright, let's open it up. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, this is just a little struggle. Alright. Yay! Honk.
Wait, how you gonna sleep up here when you're supposed to get me ready?
Alright, hey guys. There's gonna be a video coming up on Sunday. My sister's having a baby, and it's gonna be a baby shower, and it's a girl. So yeah, she'll start being on my channel soon, but she's not here yet. What I got? A World Grand Prix side. Yep. Yeah.
Oh, remember to come out tomorrow.
Alright guys. Here's the sign. Honcho. The toolbox. Oh yeah, when you get the toolbox, the wheels do not move. Alright guys? And if you have the tires, do not have a baby brother or baby sister. They could choke on the wheels and die. Alright guys. Bye. Bye everybody.